Hey, there's some giblets. Today is June 21st. See if I can get a close-up. I don't think so. Well, they could fly a little. Nice. Prim. Hey. Oh, look at this thing right here. I'm guessing that's a 45 horse. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. That's a Branson right there. What do you say? Oh man, look at this little guy. This little Hummingbird was stuck in the pole barn. And then it went down out here. Oh, come on. Put him down here under there. The hopes that he can make it. Now we just had a downpour. And it's looking a lot livelier. Whoa. There we go. I think he's gonna make it. He's still kind of wobbly though. Oh, come on, he went down again. He needs some sugar. Yeah, this goldfinch just for some reason wants to try to get in the house. And there's a quick look at that, the dam right there between the two. Weed whacked. My son weed whacked it while he was here. I don't even think I'm going to plant that anymore. I have planted that, much like everything else around here. I planted that 2 or 3 times last year. And of course I added some dirt to it because I needed to get rid of some dirt in another spot. But that's just kind of a quick look at it. It's just weed grass. That's all it is. So looking forward to getting this lawn in, which who knows when it's going to be. Look at the washouts. Dang it. And June 27th. As if we need more rain. It's been almost every day. Old Iron Mike just told me they got 5.5 inches in the last 2 days. And he's only 12-ish, 15 miles south of me. Well, I guess the only good thing is that riprap is down there. It's going to be totally full of silt here. Dirt we're losing. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, look here. This is a brand new, nice little cut. That's how hard a rain we got. All right, look at the outdoor man cave coming to life. It's been raining like mad, crazy lately. So you remember this haul, what I got from that Kentucky auction? Yeah, now look at it. Nice, very nice. Man, I'm in the city and this thing don't belong here. Thing is there ain't hardly anywhere to put it. I mean, everything's all concrete. I'll put them over in that grassy area there. Eventually that's going to be a building. Ooh, man. He don't like me carrying him, but try to save you for a little while anyways. And this water is really starting to clear up nice. Especially since we just got pummeled with rain for the last basically week straight. Look at how clear it is compared to what it used to be when we'd get heavy rains. And I haven't even added the aluminum sulfate yet, or whatever it is that I got to look at. But I mean, just look at it here. You could see down in there to the bottom much farther than you ever could before. And it's only going to get better here once stuff starts growing. So that's really nice. And based on a viewer recommendation, I decided to shoot the floor inside of the chain compartments with a little shot of tough bed liner. So good idea. I don't recall who gave that tip, but I did it. Just letting it dry now until we can put this all back together, and maybe we're getting closer to actually being able to use it. The little turkeys can fly now. There's one up. Little peepers. July 1st. Remember that finch that's been... Oh, there it is. Poor thing, it's been going on like 5 days now. It keeps fighting itself in the window reflection. And then Kitty's watching it. Let's take a look at this plot while I'm here. This is one of the original micro plots. But look at this screening here. This all was wide open hardwood like this. Alright, and I knocked that down my first year here, and just look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful screening. And the clover plot is looking really good. Yeah, look at this screening. All these oaks survived that I cut them sideways. I mean, you can't even walk through there, let alone see through it. And obviously this was what I was protecting in here. Looks like the orange scum water is back, but the cattails are coming in pretty good. Beautiful. Right, June 26th now, I think. Here we go again. Rain, hot, humid, rain, repeat. Rain, hot, humid, rain, repeat. Been doing that for at least 4 weeks now. Look, we're getting hail again. Second time in about a week and a half. This one ain't as bad. There's just a few little ones. Last time there was a few the size of my thumb. There's one.